Hello, a very good morning to all of you, and welcome to today's class. So, dear students, we were discussing this chapter, that is motion in a plane. Motion in a plane. Okay, so this is the second class. So we have already started and I have given the basic introduction of the class. So you know a physical quantity andre enu gotta? Physical quantity is the something which is measurable. Measure yarige madabodu, that quantity is called as physical quantity. Just like mass is a physical quantity. Happiness, it is not measurable, so therefore it is not a physical quantity. So physical quantities are of two types, that is scalars and vectors. And scalars are something which have only magnitude, whereas vectors are something which have magnitude as well as the direction. Okay, so let's start this class. And you know the vectors, I have given the introduction of vectors. So vectors, it is one of the most important topic in physics. Actually it is a mathematics, but we have to study in physics because lot of things depends on this. Okay, so vectors, now today I am going to discuss the types, vectors and its types. So first vector that I am taking is equal vector. Equal vector. Equal vectors andre enu? Equal vectors andre enu? Two vectors which have same magnitude and same direction are called as equal vectors. So this is vector A and this is vector B. So if you see, the direction is same and the magnitude, this length defines the magnitude. Idu length enaitalla, idardu magnitude. If you see, the magnitude is also same and direction is also same, then it is called as equal vector. Two vectors, what is the definition? Two vectors whose magnitude as well as direction, magnitude as well as direction is equal or same is called as equal vectors. Okay, you understood this definition? Two vectors who are having same magnitude and same direction are called as equal vectors. Okay. Now let's see another type of vector, that is negative vector. Negative vector. So negative vector andre enu? So the vector, two vectors which are having same magnitude but opposite in direction. See, same magnitude irabeka, magnitude should be same but opposite direction. If you see, so this is a vector A I am taking, and again this is one vector, this is vector B. If you see, the magnitude is same, magnitude nodri same aiti, but directions are opposite direction aiti. So therefore these vectors are called as negative vectors. Okay, so equal vector aitu, negative vector aitu. One more thing, let's see, parallel and anti-parallel vectors. Parallel and anti-parallel. Anti-parallel. So it is parallel and anti-parallel vectors. Now let's see what is it. Parallel lines, two parallel lines andre gottu. Parallel andre the angle between them is 0 degree. So these are the two parallel vectors. Okay, A vector and this is B vector. So you can say these vectors are parallel vectors. Why they are called as parallel vector? Because they are parallel to each other. That is, the angle between these two vectors is 0 degree. Nodri, ಹಿಂಗಿದ್ರೆ 0 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, ಹಿಂಗಿದ್ರೆ 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ನಾವು ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ 0 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, so the angle between them is 0 degree, so therefore these are parallel vectors, and we know the magnitude is same here, so therefore again they are equal vectors also, equal vectors also. Okay, now if you see, this is the vector and this is again the vector, this is vector A and this is vector B. Now if I ask you, are they equal? Definitely you will say no, because the magnitudes are not same, magnitude not same, magnitude same illa ille. So if I ask you, are they parallel, then you will say yes, they are parallel but not equal, not equal. Yake? Because the angle between them is 0 degree, theta is equal to 0 degree here, but the magnitude is not same. Either the magnitude jasti aiti, either the magnitude kadme aiti. So therefore these are the parallel vectors but not equal. Okay, just remember parallel vectors andre enu, the two vectors the angle between them is 0 degree is called as parallel vectors. Now let's see anti-parallel vector. So this is one vector, this is one vector. Okay, see this one, the direction is opposite. Okay, and I already said the angle between two vectors, which is one is moving in this direction, one is moving in this direction, angle estaitu 180 degree. So theta is equal to 180 degree. So anti-parallel vectors, the angle between them is 180 degree. Okay, note anti-parallel vectors, so this is going in this direction, this is going in opposite direction, direction opposite idre, so they are anti-parallel vectors. So this vector I am taking and this vector I am taking, again these two vectors are anti-parallel, means the angle between them, one is moving in this direction, one is moving in this direction, so the angle between them becomes 180 degree. So these are called as anti-parallel vector. Anti-parallel, anti-parallel illa, anti-parallel. So anti-parallel vectors. Very good, dear students. Now let's see one more type of vector, that is collinear vector. Collinear vectors. Okay, collinear vectors andre vectors that are moving in the same direction. See this vector and this vector, so a vector A and this is vector B, so the direction is same and they are moving in the same direction. ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಇರಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಇದರದ್ದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಐತಿ, ಇದರದ್ದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಐತಿ, ಇಟ್ ಡಸಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್, ಸೊ ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ collinear vector. A vectors having same direction, magnitude it depends, equal irle irlikilla enu irle, vectors which are having same direction which are linear are called as collinear vectors or collinear vectors. Okay, you understood this. And one more thing is co-initial vector. Co-initial vector. Co-initial vector andre enu? Okay, so see the vectors I am drawing here. So these are the vector. Name itself tell you this is A, B, C, D. In bar baridu nadite. Okay. So the initial point is same. When they have same initial point, then it is called as co-initial vector. Means the starting point of these vectors is same. Understood? Means the vectors which is having common initial points, who are having common initial point. Nodri, ಎಲ್ಲ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸಿಗೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಐತಿ, ಸೊ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಎ, ಬಿ, ಸಿ, ಡಿ all are co-initial vectors. So understood this? Thank you. Now let's see one more thing. co-initial vector ಆಯಿತು. Again one vector is there, that is zero vector, your favorite. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫೇವ್ರೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಝೀರೋ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮ 100 ಫೇವ್ರೇಟ್, 90 ಫೇವ್ರೇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಝೀರೋ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಝೀರೋ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್. ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಝೀರೋ ಅಂದರೆ ಝೀರೋನೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಝೀರೋ. ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಝೀರೋ. ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಝೀರೋ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್, ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಝೀರೋನೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನು? ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನು ಇರ್ತೀವಿ? ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನು? ಸಪೋಸ್ ದೆರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಝೀರೋ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ದೆರ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್, ಹಂಗೆ ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಎವರ್ ದ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಝೀರೋ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಐತಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್. ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇನೂ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲೇನೂ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಲ್ಲೇನೂ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಲ್ಲೇನೂ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಅಟ್ ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ arbitrary. Okay, so if I ask you the displacement is zero, ಅವಾಗ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? ನೋ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನಾಟ್ ಸೇ ವೇರ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಝೀರೋ. ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಝೀರೋ ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಐತಿ? ನೆವರ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನಾಟ್ ಗಿವ್ ದಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಆರ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಝೀರೋ. ಆಟ್ ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ zero vector. Okay, again one of the most important vector, that is a unit vector. A unit vector, this is the most important and we use it a lot of time. So just understand this. Unit vector andre definitely unit andre one. Okay, unit, whenever you use unit in case of physics, it means one. Okay, ಸೊ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಯೂನಿಟಿ. ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಯೂನಿಟಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, 1 ಮೀಟರ್, 1 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್, 1 kg, 1 ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ ಏನೂ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂನಿಟಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಸಿ okay, so this is a vector here, idu one vector, that vector I am giving it as b bar, and this vector I am giving it as c bar. So e vector indu now unit vector tegibodu. Suppose this is a 10 meter, so this is a displacement vector anta tagori, it is 10 meter. So 10 into unit vector tagobekandra 1 meter, so this will be the unit vector. So this will be the unit vector and it is denoted by b cap. ಬಾರ್ ಬರೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಯೂನಿಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದಿಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಡಸಂಟ್ ಗಿವ್ ಎನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಏನು ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ದಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಬಿದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನೈತಿ ಅದು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾನೆ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 20 ಮೀಟರ್, ಸಿ ಈಸ್ 20 ಮೀಟರ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1 ಮೀಟರ್ and it can be written as c cap. Hinge baribeku, cap, this is cap. Okay, c cap. So that is unit vector and it shows the direction of c. Vector c du direction torostane. Okay, so unit vectors generally used for getting the direction. Bariri idu unit vectors generally used to find or to get or to find the direction. Generally ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಮೇನ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇಂದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅದರದ್ದು ಯೂನಿಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, so these are the types of vectors that we have seen. Now let's see one more thing. One of the most important vectors in case of physics especially. So those are polar vectors, and second one is axial vectors. vectors. So polar vectors andre enu, a vector whose direction is along the direction of a motion of a body. Means suppose you take the displacement, so displacement vector, so this is a displacement vector and it is the direction of motion, and we know motion, suppose there is a body, one body is there, so this is the motion, this will be the motion of a body. Means vector direction ಮತ್ತು body moving direction both are same, then those vectors are called as polar vectors. Andre the vectors whose direction of motion whose direction is same as the direction of motion of a body. Means body hang move agakatೈತಿ ಅದು ಅವನು ಸೇಮ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಕತ್ತಾನ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ದಿ polar vector. Suppose this is the displacement example, this is the displacement vector and we know body will go in the direction of displacement ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಕತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ body move ಆಗಕತ್ತಿದೆ. So that time those kind of vectors are called as polar vectors. Axial vector andre ಏನು, you'll see a body is moving in a circular path, one circular path naಗ body move ಆಗಕತ್ತಿದೆ. So this is the body, okay, it is moving in a circular path, one circular path naಗ move ಆಗಕತ್ತಿದೆ. So at that time so now just take just take it as this is a disc, okay. So this is a circular disc ಅಂತ ತಗೋರಿ, ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ ಐತಿ, ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ ಆಡ್ತಿರಲ್ರಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್, ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಸರ್ಕಲ್, ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ರೋಟೇಟ್ ಆಗಕತ್ತಿ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ನೋ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ anti-clockwise direction, okay. So at that time if you see the direction of angular velocity will be perpendicular to the plane of the disc. Direction of angular velocity, that is omega, just remember this, in future you will understand this. So direction of angular velocity will be perpendicular to the plane of the axis. Now if you see the direction of motion of a body is like this, body hang disc hang agagatatತಿ like this, disc is moving like this, but the vector that I am taking, that is angular velocity, is along this direction, means perpendicular to this plane of the disc, okay. Now if you see the direction of motion of a body is this, and the direction of a vector is like this, means along the perpendicular direction. So that kind of vectors are called as axial vectors, okay. So how to define it? A vector, how to define it? A vector whose direction is along the axis of rotation of a body, the axis of rotation of a body is called as axial vector. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು, okay. So the vector whose direction is along the axis of rotation of a body is called as the axial vector. In case of polar vector ಏನು, whose direction is along the direction of motion of body hang move ಆಗಕತ್ತೈತಿ, ಆ ವೆಕ್ಟರು ಅದು ಸೇಮ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ನಾಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಪೋಲಾರ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಬಾಡಿ, ಹೌ ದ ಬಾಡಿ ಈಸ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್, ಹಂಗೆ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಆರ್ ದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಸ್ ದಿ direction of motion of a body, that is it is along the axis of rotation. So this is nothing but the axis of rotation. Along the axis of rotation, that vector's direction will be there. At that time those kind of vectors are called as axial vector, okay. So I hope you understood this. So these are the different types of vectors. So tomorrow in next class we'll see lot of things, that is angle between the vectors and addition, subtraction of vectors. So there are a lot of concepts to learn, and in the next class we'll see. So till that, thank you everybody. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ನಾಷ್ಟ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಮಕ್ಕೋರಿ ಆರಾಮ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಕ್ಕೋಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಸ್ಟಡಿನೂ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ, and thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and comment. Okay, bye bye, see you. Tata, bye bye.